everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today we'll be talking about a brand new sharing feature that's called Quick Share. So Quick Share, as of right now, is a part of the Galaxy Z Flip and any of the Galaxy S20 series. Now soon in the near future, the past devices of Samsung dating all the way back to the Galaxy S9 will get this update, which is a part of the Samsung One UI 2.1. Now it could be coming in 1 month or 2 months, or just to be safe, early summer. So Quick Share is a way that you're able to send large files from Samsung to Samsung, either multiple videos, you can do an entire photo album, or a ton of MP3s. So there's two ways to use Quick Share. The first way is with contacts only, so this way you're only able to share with people that you know, or you can have it on the everyone and anyone. So anyone that is next to you who has Quick Share turned on, if yours is turned on, you guys are able to find each other when you're sharing content. So it's very important to actually go through your phone name, tap right here, put in whatever custom name you want, because if anybody else has the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G who did not switch their name, you don't really know who is who, so you don't really know who you're sending these photos or videos to. So again, very important to place in your personal name, which I did right over here as Jimmy Flip. So let's go through and let me give you an example of exactly what you want to do. So once you turn on Quick Share, then you're able to go through your gallery, and let's say that I go inside of this camera over here. If I want to send this image, this image, this image, and that video, once I hit on the share button, you're going to actually see something pop up right there, right next to Quick Share. So this right here is finding that person right here who has it toggled on and it's set to everyone. Once I tap on that one right there, it's going to send it right on over here. And again, it's really using Wi-Fi Direct. It's a way that you're able to send large files from Samsung to Samsung, but it's just set up a little bit different and a little bit more new on the Samsung One UI 2.1. Now on the very top, when you scroll this down, you're going to see that you have files received. Once you go inside your gallery, you're going to have a folder that has been created from the person that sent it to you. So it says Jimmy Flip. And once you open that up, you're going to see all your files. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe. Subscribe right over here in the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely, you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of